All right, Harvey. What are we on the final stretches here?
Yep.
You're standing on a, or kneeling on a $2,800 piece of plywood?
Yep.
Does anybody know why I'm saying that? Probably not, because you see a dollar sign. But it was a for sale sign. Expensive piece of plywood. So Harvey's just...
Everyone can tell me how I'm doing it wrong.
Oh,
I am.
Oh, we did this whole thing wrong, I'm sure. We're landscapers. But the concrete truck driver said we were doing it right, so...
But he's a concrete truck driver. He doesn't actually care how it ends up.
No. And neither does Harvey. No, Harvey's filling in a couple little voids here and there. And we are broom finishing it. Looks a little hairy with the fiberglass. But yeah, we're just putting a broom finish on it. Like I said, it's just a apron so that the transition from the dirt to the garage isn't as severe, and it's not all... I think what happened is it all would get muddy and muck up and whatever, so now this will be a nice little addition to the barn. I don't know if that's coming up on camera or not, but we've just bull floated it, broomed it, and knocked it down a little bit with the float again, and did a light broom over it. Just looking for something like this finish through here. And we're almost there. I'd say what, another 20 minutes, half hour, we'll probably be packed up and out of here.
Yep.
Took us about an hour to pour, and what, another couple hours to get where we're at. Not too shabby, I'd say. Oh, here's a really expensive piece of plywood over here. That's why he's using the cheap one on the concrete.
clean enough that we can clean them at home? I don't know.
Joey's
Yes.
laughing.
Who likes the new look? Harvey thinks it's hilarious. So I think I'm gonna always wear my boots like this now.
I think he looks. I can't say that word.
I think I'm gonna wear them like this just because it's fun to mess with Harvey.
Until your wife says otherwise.
Correct.
Trying to give away my pretzels.
Yeah. Are you opening the toolbox? Perfect.
I did it just for you.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, did you shut this off?
No. It's just recording random
Oh,
stuff.
it's just like aimed at the truck.
Well, it was aimed over you walking over to the skid steer.
So it didn't even get me messing with you about the hat?
No. Unless if it mysteriously turned itself around.
Huh?
So unless if it mysteriously turned itself around.
Oh man, that's supposed to be funny on the camera.
What are we doing, Joey?
What do we look?
Hi, chicken. How you doing today? Seeing if the hose is frozen. I like this recording thing. I just don't have to do anything.
No, you're supposed to be getting all the tools. You
Oh.
just grab the camera.
You said that we were gonna record this part.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like the washing the tools part. So I was getting the hose. You were supposed to get the tools.
Well, the tools are right here. We basically just bicker all day.
You already washed the rakes, right?
Yep. Well, that's the ice trying to come out. Joey, you have to do it so that the camera can see you. I put all the concrete stuff in the barn.
Probably.
But we can probably put it in that side room.
Not necessarily the longs. We can put those with our rakes.
Probably stay in this truck more or less.
All right, guys. That is a wrap for the concrete. It's not a wrap on the day, I don't believe. Not sure what other projects we'll get into. If we do, it'll probably just get thrown on tomorrow's video. But I do know I need to go do 1 or 2 estimates. So that might fill the rest of my day, which would be fine with me. It wasn't a very long day, but if anybody knows about pushing concrete around and running around, especially if you're used to like being on a mower or being in a piece of equipment, it's a long day, even if it's a short day, if that makes sense. So if I got to do a couple estimates, I know tomorrow and Friday are going to be long days, so this might be a normal person long day. But yeah, so hope you guys enjoyed. That is not a tutorial on how to do concrete. We are landscapers, but that is how we did a apron for a barn, for all that the customer needed it to be and what they wanted to be. So again, that's a wrap. So we will catch you tomorrow. Peace out, YouTube.